Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest InstaForex news. The last figures released by the UK Statistical Agency were quite expected. Yesterday, the Office for National Statistics unveiled preliminary GDP data for the second quarter. In the first quarter, the GDP report exceeded most optimistic projections, so analysts didn't have any doubts that the GDP would grow in the second one. The first GDP estimate for the second quarter was 0.6%, while the annual GDP went up to 1.4%. The data coincided with the expectations. It is the first time in 3 years that every sector of the UK economy has demonstrated improvement, which promises total recovery quite soon. The only fly in the ointment is slow growth of personal income. Its rate is lower than that of consumer prices. The demand for the pound surged on such news. The quote of the British pound versus the US dollar rose by 75 points, and £1 came to cost $1.54. Nonetheless, as the UK economy is picking up the pace, investors are cautious about buying into the pound, as it can make the Bank of England do away with its accommodative policy. This was the latest InstaForex news. Thank you and goodbye.